Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the often misunderstood world of diabetes. While many of you might be familiar with the basics, we're going to explore 10 hidden truths that could change how you think about this condition. Whether you're a patient, a caregiver, or just curious, these insights are crucial. So let's get started. Truth number 1, diabetes can be invisible. First up, it's important to know that diabetes often shows no symptoms. Many people live with prediabetes or undiagnosed type 2 diabetes without any visible signs. This silent progression can lead to severe complications if not identified and managed early. Truth number 2, stress can affect blood sugar. Did you know stress can directly impact your blood sugar levels? When you're stressed, your body releases hormones like cortisol, which can cause blood sugar levels to spike. Managing stress is a key component of controlling glucose levels, especially for those with diabetes. Truth number 3, type 2 diabetes is not only about sugar. Contrary to popular belief, type 2 diabetes isn't just about cutting sugar. It's also about managing your overall carb intake and ensuring a balanced diet. Foods like bread and pasta can have similar effects on your blood sugar as sweet treats. Truth number 4, diabetes can impact your mood. People often overlook the psychological aspects of diabetes. Fluctuating glucose levels can significantly affect your mood and mental health, leading to conditions like diabetes, distress, anxiety, and depression. It's crucial to address both physical and mental health in diabetes care. Truth number 5, exercise is more than just weight control. Exercise is beneficial for more than just weight loss. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels and increases insulin sensitivity. Incorporating regular physical activity into your routine can be a game changer in managing diabetes effectively. Truth number 6, diabetes can affect sleep. Poor sleep can worsen diabetes symptoms and vice versa. Diabetes can lead to conditions like sleep apnea, which disrupts sleep patterns and affects overall health. Managing your sleep environment and habits is vital for controlling your condition. Truth number 7, not all fats are bad. Fat has a bad reputation, but not all fats are enemies of diabetes. Healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts, and fish can actually help stabilize blood sugar levels and are an essential part of a diabetic diet. Truth number 8, hydration plays a key role. Staying hydrated is crucial for everyone, but it's especially important for people with diabetes. Water helps to dilute the blood and lower blood sugar levels naturally, promoting kidney function and overall health. Truth number 9, medication is not a one-size-fits-all. Diabetes medications vary widely, and what works for one person might not work for another. Always work with your healthcare provider to find the best medication and dosage for your specific condition. Truth number 10, comprehensive care is crucial. Finally, managing diabetes isn't just about monitoring blood sugar. It involves comprehensive care, including regular checkups, eye exams, foot care, and dental visits to prevent complications and maintain overall health. That wraps up our top 10 hidden truths about diabetes. Understanding these aspects can lead to better management and a healthier life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Share your thoughts and any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.